गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज टीएसएस ऑनलाइन क्लास में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। आज क्लास 10th का मैथ इस वीडियोज़ के द्वारा आप लोग को दिया जाएगा, जिसमें लेसन 11 एक्सरसाइज 11 ट्रिगोमेट्री रेशियो के बारे में बताएंगे हमारे रमानंद सर। आप लोग बने रहिए बच्चों।
घर में रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए।
लॉकडाउन के अंतर्गत घर में रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए और ऑनलाइन वीडियो के माध्यम से पठन पाठन करते रहिए। अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया हो तो मेरे चैनल को टीएसएस ऑनलाइन को सब्सक्राइब करें और घंटी को अवश्य दबाएं, जिससे आपको कोई भी नोटिफिकेशन यहाँ से मिल सके, और लाइक ज़रूर करें। तो आइए आज का ट्रिगोमेट्रिक रेशियो चैप्टर लेने के लिए हमारे रामानंद सर तैयार हैं।
Now, good morning to all students of class 9th. Class 10th students. I want to teach you trigonometric ratio, chapter 11. From lesson 1, I am giving you some questions to be solved. Question number 1 and 3, 6. These are the questions which I have brought to you to be solved. First question is that sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus cos 60 degree into sin 30 degree. Question number 3, cos 45 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 45 degree into sin 30 degree. Now start the solution. Putting the value of sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 into cos 30 degree, as we know that root 3 by 2, plus cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2 into sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3, as we know, is equal to 3, and divided by 2 into 2 is equal to 4, plus 1 into 1 is equal to 1, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now taking the LCM of 4 and 4, we get 4. Doing addition fraction, we get 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. This is the answer. Now question number 3, cos 45 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 45 degree into sin 30 degree. The value of cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, plus sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, and sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Keeping the value of these all, we get root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Taking the LCM of 2 root 2 and 2 root 2, we get 2 root 2. And root 3 plus 1, doing addition. This is the answer. Now, question number 6. 2 cos square 60 degree plus 3 sin square 45 degree minus 3 sin square 30 degree plus 2 into cos square 90 degree. Putting the value of cos 60 degree, 45 degree, sin 45 degree, sin 30 degree, cos 90 degree in this expression. Solution: 2 into cos 60 degree, we know that 1 by 2 whole square, plus 3 into sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2 whole square, minus 3 into sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 whole square, plus 2 into cos 90 degree is equal to 0 whole square. On doing calculation, we get 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 2 plus 6 minus 3 divided by 4 is equal to 2, 6, 8. 8 minus 3 divided by 4. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 by 4. Now here is the mixed fraction 1 and 1 by 4. This is the answer. Now page number 2. Here question number 7 is written. Now page number 2, here question 7 is written cot 30 degree minus 2 into cos square 30 degree minus 3 by 4 sec square 45 degree plus 1 by 4 cos sec square 30 degree. Now putting the value of all these, we get root 3 whole square minus 2 into root 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 4 sec 45 degree, as we know, root 2 whole square plus 1 by 4 cosec 30 degree is equal to 2 by whole square. On doing calculation, root 3 into root 3 minus 2 into root 3 into root 3 by 2 into 2 minus 3 by 4 into root 2 into root 2 plus 1 by 4 into 4. Root 3 into root 3, as we know, root 9, the square root of 9 is equal to 3, minus 2 into root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3 divided by 2 into 2 by 4, minus 3 by 4 into root 2 is equal to 2, plus 1 by 4 into 4, and this is the cancel, and here we get 1. 3 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 1. First of all, we add 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, and 4 minus cos through 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 4 minus, taking the LCM of 2 and 2, here is 2, and doing fraction addition, 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 by 2. 2 is 6 is cancelled by 2, taking the time 3, so 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now question number 8, look at sin square 30 degree plus 4 cot square 45 degree minus sec square 60 degree into cos sec square 45 degree into sec square 30 degree. Putting the value of all these, we get 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into 1 whole square minus 2 whole square, cost clause, here is into sign, and the value of cosec 45 degree is equal to root 2 whole square into sec, the value of sec 30 degree is equal to 2 by root 3 whole square. Now 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 means 1 by 4 plus 4 into whole square of 1 is equal to 1 into 1. Now minus 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Again cost start, root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2 into 2 by root 3 whole square is equal to 4 by root 3. Plus 4 minus 4, this is cancelled. 1 by 4 into 4 by 8 in, by 3. 8 is cancelled by 4, taking time 2, and here is 2 by 3. This is the answer. Now, with all this teaching, I want to stop till here, and again I will meet you. Till now, thank you for you all students for listening my this teaching. Stay here. Stay in your home with well condition for this. Thank you.